Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating and verifying basics so troubleshooting is efficient. First, check PS5 system software and install updates. This fixes many Wi-Fi bugs. Once done, power off the console and router, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart to clear temporary errors. Make sure you know your SSID, password, and whether you want to. 4 or 5 GHz, that choice affects range and speed. Now move into network settings and active tests to isolate the issue. You now diagnose the connection. In settings, run the internet connection test to see NAT type, IP, ping, and packet loss. That tells you whether the problem is local or ISP related. If IP changes or conflicts appear, assign a static IP on the PS5 or set a DHCP reservation in the router to prevent address clashes. Then change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolution issues, and compare a wired Ethernet test against Wi-Fi to pinpoint the wireless path. You finish by optimizing and confirming stability. Move the PS5 closer to the router or elevate the router to reduce interference. Walls and appliances can kill signal strength. Change wireless channels in the router to a less crowded one, enable band steering or co-S, and prioritize the PS5 to improve latency. If problems persist, clear network settings on the console and reconnect. As a last resort, factory reset network equipment after backing up settings. If still failing, try the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.